What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release May 28th. But before we get into that shoe, let's go ahead and take a quick look at some more upcoming May releases. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 9, release date of May 7th. If you want to pick these joints up early, you can do so on Fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now. Next up, we have the Air Jordan Retro 6. These come out May 11th. They are on the website as well, Fineline1721.com. They do ship out early ahead of the release date. Now we have the Air Jordan Retro 11 Low, 72 and 10. This one has a release date of May 14th, also shipping out early. And last but not least, we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Heritage. This one right here has a release date of May 25th. It is also on the website and shipping out early. Also, I have full reviews of every shoe that we just seen. If you want to check out those, they are live on the channel. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see, we have the Air Jordan Retro box wrapped in all silver with the lime green Jumpman logo. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan Retro 5 Retro, silver, green bean, flint gray. Flipping open the box lid, quality control sticker back here, lot number sticker right here, white and green sticker right here. Flipping this paper back, let's go ahead and get into this shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 5 Green Bean. Every single panel, every single layer of the upper is dressed in a 3M material. Taking a look at that top-down view of the shoe, green sock liner, green Jumpman logo, clear lace lock with the green push pin, clear net on the side panel, dark gray midsole, milky white air bubble unit, green flame, sitting on top of the clear translucent bottom, lime green Jumpman logo, and the Jordan branding. Going back up to the uppers, heading back to the heel of the shoe, have the lime green Jumpman logo sitting right there on the heel. Everything that you see on one side is exactly the same as the other. So that about wraps it up for this review. Short, simple, and sweet. Not much more to go over. If you are a fan of this shoe and you want to pick these joints up, you can head over to the website, Fineline1721.com. They will be shipping out ahead of the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.